It is day 8, and this is my Jaguar XKR. Now today, we're gonna actually remove some chrome, first on the sides of the door, and also we're gonna remove the chrome on the top of the convertible. Once it's off, we went straight into wrapping. You wanna usually stretch out the material and start from the middle, and then work from the middle to the sides. Now, let's talk about stress relief cuts. Now, usually when I use a stress relief cut, it's usually at the corner of the vinyl. This means the vinyl is giving me so much tension, I need to relieve the stress on the vinyl so I can keep stretching without it peeling back or damaging the vinyl. When I feel the tension, I'll usually go in a circular pattern. Now, the reason why we go in a circular pattern is mostly because if you make straight edge cuts like this, the sharpest edge will rip. So this means whenever I'm pulling back and it's a straight cut, it will actually start ripping. This is why we actually do circular cuts. Whenever you're tucking any kind of material in the back of the panel, you gotta make sure you have more than enough material. So it's always better for you to cut more material than less. You can always trim it later, but you cannot add more material later. It's gonna look ugly. Now, we usually use our lightsaber to actually cut these corners. Now, if you're not able to actually make straight cuts with a knife, you can always use knifeless tape. Knifeless tape is designed so you can actually have straight cuts and you're not damaging the vinyl. Plus, if you're ever doing control cuts with the lightsaber, you gotta make sure you're only cutting the top layer of the vinyl, not fully penetrating it. Because when you're gonna be peeling it back, it's actually gonna be separating in two pieces, but only if you have the proper amount of pressure. If there's not enough pressure, it's not gonna rip properly. Too much pressure, you cut it into the vehicle paint. So that means you're damaging the original paint. And we wanna avoid that at all costs. I wanna thank my wife for helping me out with the recording. Thank you for watching and make sure you follow to see what happens next. Man, look at that chrome bleed.